right, here I am standing outside of a 77 Cleaners in Upper Deerfield Township. I brought my jacket in here, my coat, my pea coat, to get cleaned and repaired. Well, let me tell you, this thing is filled with hair. I left it here and they re-cleaned it, so she says. It's still full hair. She claims that she did the best she could. The thing looks like a cat rolled on it. Well, I asked for a refund. She refuses to give me a refund. So guess what? They don't do good work because the repair is not good either. So she sold it. It looks like crap. And she refuses to clean it and took my $30. So guess what? I won't ever be coming back here to 77 Cleaners in Upper Deerfield Township. Make sure that you get your money's worth, because I ain't getting my money's worth here. Well, the police are here, so I'm going back in. There they are.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's going on?
Good. Hey, can I have your name and badge number?
Yeah, Liam Rochford, 9216.
All right, very good. Thank you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, can I get your name and badge number, please?
Trooper Young, 9524.
Thank you very much. I have no idea what she did, okay? But I went in to pick up my jacket, and it's not clean. I picked it up Saturday.
Yeah.
And it wasn't clean. It had hair all over it.
Is that the jacket?
No. Jacket's in the car.
Okay.
And I said, you know, I left it here.
Yeah.
The young lady over here, so I was like, look, it's not clean. She did the repair, and I was fine with that. But it's not clean. It's got hair all over it.
Yeah.
I was like, this is not good.
Yeah,
I was like, I paid for it.
Do you have the receipt when you dropped it off? Do you have that?
Yeah, I had that.
Okay.
She kept it.
All right.
And I said, look, I was like, it's not clean. I said, leave it here. I'll pick it up. When would you like me to pick it up? She says, I'll pick it up Monday.
Yeah.
I was like, okay. So I came over, I picked it up, and I looked at it again. And I'm like, wait. Looked at it. I was like, it still has hair on it.
Yeah.
I was like, this is not clean. I was like, I paid you $30-some to have this repaired and cleaned. I was like,
yeah.
Can you clean it? She goes, no, it's clean. It's clean.
So you already you paid for it before?
I paid for it when I dropped it off.
You prepaid.
Oh yeah.
They were supposed to clean it. Still had dog. Maybe they cleaned it, but some dog hair got on it some way.
Cat hair? I don't know. It's got
you don't
hair
have a dog, right?
No, I have no animals whatsoever.
Right.
So,
I got you.
And I'm like, look, there's hair. She goes, no, that's clean.
Yeah.
And then she gets the roller, you know, that sticky roller.
Yeah, little sticky roller.
Yeah. And I was like, I got a dozen of them. I says, I can do that.
Yeah.
I said, you're going to charge me $17.50 to roll this? She goes, I spent 30 minutes doing this.
Yeah.
This is it. It's the material. It won't come clean. I'm like, it's got hair all over it. Now I'm being nice, and I'm like, all right, look. I was like, let's just solve this. I was like, it's not clean. Okay, you didn't do a good job. I was like, I paid you already to clean it. I was like, just give me a refund, and you'll never see me again, because this is no way to do business.
Yeah.
No, I'm not giving you a refund. I was like, you refused to give me a refund for something that's not done properly.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I said, well, I'm going to tell you what. I'm on TikTok. I'm on all your social media. I'm going to walk out front. I'm going to make a video on TikTok, and I'm going to post it. As I got millions of views on TikTok. I was like, so I can either do that, and you can lose a lot of business over $17.50.
Yeah, they also do like the little Google review thing and all that.
Yeah, and I'll do that too. And I'm like, you can either lose money over $17.50, or you know, you can just give me the $17.50 and then you'll never see me again.
Yeah.
And she's like, nope, not giving you your money.
Did you pay with cash? Or was it
I paid cash.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, that's fine. I walked out, I did my video, and here she comes. I get in my car, that red car there, and she says, she's on the phone. I guess she was calling you guys. And she taps on my window. She goes, now, what would you say? You're calling the police because why? You didn't do a good job?
Because I do my best.
You're going to waste the taxpayers' money by calling the police because you wouldn't give me my money back because you didn't do a good job.
Why do I have to?
So you're going to waste taxpayers and the police's time over something as insignificant as you not doing your job and giving me my money back.
Well, you want to come here. I want the money back. Come here.
Oh, you just want me to wait for the police. I'll wait for the police, but you know what?
Come on. I give you the money back. Come here.
You're going to give me my money back.
Okay, come here.
Oh, okay. She ain't going to give me my money back. She's waiting for the police to come. State police. She's going to call the state police over something that she didn't want to do.
All right, so I talked to her. She
Okay.
said that she did try to clean it. I guess there's something like, I don't know, some linen that comes out of it. I don't really understand, the cleaning stuff.
All right.
But
hairs,
she does.
hairs don't come out. The hairs
I
wearing
don't know.
on
I guess
it,
some of the
but okay.
material on the inside of the jacket, some of that was coming out. I don't know.
Would you like
But,
to see it?
Yeah, it's fine. I just wanted. She does feel bad. She said that she's willing to give a $10 refund.
And
If
that's
cool
fine.
with you.
That's fine.
She doesn't want the bad publicity. I'm not telling you to delete the video or anything, but she would like you not to post negative media stuff about their business.
Well, apparently she changed her mind when she seen me out here recording in the parking lot. So,
I mean, she does feel bad. Maybe you guys had some animosity when you were first talking. I wasn't here for the entirety of it.
yeah, I know. She didn't feel bad when I walked out the first time. She
But
started feeling bad after
I think she
you
wants
called
to
the
turn
police.
over a new leaf, give you a $10 refund. She's hoping that you just don't post the video and give negative attention towards her business. I mean, it's entirely up to you. If you don't want the $10 and you want to post a TikTok, do your thing, by all means. But
You have to delete.
No, I don't have to delete. You can let her know I don't have to delete.
I told her it's
Why you
obviously
not-
your
why
First
you
Amendment
not-
right, but I figured if you want the $10, I mean, like we talked about, she did put in some effort, she did clean it, and she's willing to give you a $10 refund because you're not totally satisfied with the service. And
Well, that-
I don't know, it's up to you. I mean, this is a civil matter. I'm not telling
I
anyone what to do here,
I know,
but I'm just
I
trying to
know.
mitigate between
Yeah,
the two parties
yeah,
here.
I understand. And you didn't have to call the police. We could have settled this between us.
But you
Okay,
already
but-
did that. That's why.
I already
You
did.
already did the video and then like this. You did it already like that.
Yeah,
People, because I don't
I-
wanna this happen.
okay.
You
I
won't do
did,
that.
I did that because you refused the refund. Okay, and I told you I was gonna do that if you didn't
Why
give
you
me a
don't
refund.
understand this in here?
So,
Look at
they-
the material. This material, everybody same thing. Everybody same. This material pick up everything. This color
Okay.
from the this material coming out.
Okay.
Not from the outside the hair anything.
okay, I don't have animals, but there's hair all over that jacket. I showed you, come on. Come on, I don't even
We
have
did
animals.
She did all this like this.
Okay, I'm
She
not,
did all this
look.
like. We have too much time to spend.
okay,
Yeah.
I'm not here to argue. I wasn't here to argue. I was here to get a job done, and it wasn't done
maybe
correctly.
your hair is the same thing. You have a hair here, and then that same color. Well, who knows? But I tried my best. Don't say like I didn't do a no good job or something. I tried 2 times clean, remove all that, all this from the inside the material, from the material coming out. This white things like this from the material. Now we can't do anything. Everybody has the same
All
same
right.
thing. But then why
You
complain about
you
it?
don't, first of all, you don't know what I've done for 40 years, okay? I sewed for 40 years. That was my business, all right?
That's why
I was sewed for 40 years.
Nothing.
And I know materials, and hair like that doesn't come out of the material. That's animal hair, human hair, not mine. So, okay, look,
Putting
I'm
this
not
on-
going to sit here and argue with her.
All right,
Okay,
yeah, I feel like we're going
so
over this,
it's
so.
I'm gonna de-escalate. I'm gonna walk out, and
that's totally-
because I'm not going to sit here and
All right, that's
and
cool.
listen to this all the excuses why it's not clean. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it at this, and I'm just gonna do what I have to do at this point.
That's fair.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Have a good one.
All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
care.
Oh, can I get your name and badge number?
Trooper the Rubio, 9453.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. You have a wonderful day. All right. So there's that. I'm not going to sit there and take all that over $10, and she don't want to give it to me. So there it is. 77 cleaners. Okay.